Think about the last time you called a customer support line. Did you wait on hold, get bounced between departments, maybe even hang up out of frustration? Now imagine the opposite. A call center that answers instantly, speaks your language, handles your request on the first try, and transfers you to a human only when it really matters. That's what an AI call center makes possible. Hey, I'm Kalep from Synthflow, and on this channel, we're going to show you how to scale phone conversations with voice AI without losing the human touch. Today, we're diving into AI call centers, what they are, how they work, and why the smartest organizations are already adopting them. At its core, an AI call center uses voice AI agents to handle inbound and outbound calls. These aren't old school IVRs or clunky chatbots. They're conversational, natural sounding agents that can answer questions, book appointments, qualify leads, and route callers to the right place. It's really the same experience you'd expect from a well-trained human rep, only faster, cheaper, and available 24/7. Traditional call centers are expensive and hard to scale. Hiring, training, and retaining agents is a constant struggle. Meanwhile, customers expect instant, personalized service. That's why companies are turning to AI call centers. They cut costs by up to 90% compared to live agents. They reduce wait times to virtually zero, and they scale instantly, handling thousands of concurrent calls with no drop in quality. So what's the result? Higher efficiency for businesses, better experiences for customers. It really is a win-win. So how does an AI call center actually run? With Synthflow, it's simple. You go live in under 3 weeks using our no-code builder or APIs. Connect to your telephony, CRM, or ticketing system. Train agents on your policies, knowledge base, and workflows. Agents answer calls, escalate complex issues to humans, and log everything in real time. Behind the scenes, compliance guardrails and fallback flows ensure accuracy and brand safety. We've seen this model in action across industries. Healthcare providers automate appointment scheduling, reducing no-shows by 30% while boosting patient satisfaction. BPOs run 40-plus Synthflow agents handling over 600,000 calls per month without adding headcount. Tech and SaaS companies qualify leads instantly, cutting demo booking costs by 70% and increasing closed deals. AI call centers aren't just theory. They're already transforming operations at scale. Not all AI platforms are created equal. Here's why businesses choose Synthflow. Go live in weeks, not months. We're compliance first. SOC 2, HIPAA, GDPR. At 8 cents per minute, we're competitive with offshore BPOs. Sub 500 millisecond latency, over 95% accuracy, 99.9% uptime. Our no-code builder or full API control plus BYOC telephony. That means you get enterprise-grade reliability without the complexity. Here's the takeaway. AI won't eliminate call centers, it will redefine them. The future is hybrid. AI agents for the repetitive and routine, humans for the complex and personal. Businesses that adopt voice AI call centers now will cut costs, improve satisfaction, and outpace competitors. So if you're ready to see how an AI call center could work for your business, head to synthflow.ai to start your free trial or request a demo. And don't miss the next video on screen. It's going to show you more about what voice AI can do for your business.